morning, students. Here, turmeric and litmus we had seen already. Today, we are going to see China rose as indicator. Okay, China rose, that is also one type of indicator. Indicator means which shows the effect of acids and bases on that particular solution. So China rose as indicator, in that you know that base blue color, acid red color. Okay, in litmus, turmeric with soap solution it was giving red color, soap was base, so that red color. Here China rose, see, acid, indicator and base, this one will be indicator, the color of indicator will be like this. Okay, so China rose, that is Goodall petals, and place them in beaker, add some warm water, keep the mixture for some time till water becomes colored. Use the colored water as an indicator, means water के अंदर, warm water के अंदर China rose petal if you will add, then it will become like this. Okay, and that will work as indicator. So as an indicator, add 5 drops of the indicator to each of the solution given in table 5.4, this table. Okay, this table. So each of the solution given in table 5.4, what is the effect of indicator on acidic, basic and neutral solution? So here China rose indicator turns acidic solution to dark pink, acidic solution to dark pink, that is magenta, you can say magenta or magenta, and basic solution to green. Okay, so base will convert into green, acid dark pink. Okay, acid and base, this one green and this one dark pink. Okay, dark pink and green. So here you need to remember again that acids and base react with indicator as a China rose, so in that acid will become dark pink and base or basic solution will become green. That is about China rose indicator. In the litmus, what we had seen, base blue color and acid red color. Understood? Here base green color and acid dark pink color, and in the turmeric base red color. Okay, so different indicators give different types of colors when it is reacted with acids or bases solution. After that, coffee is brown and bitter in taste. Is it an acid or base? Don't give the answer without any taste. You are in the dark with its taste. Okay, you are in the dark with its taste, मतलब कि coffee brown but it's bitter in taste. तो वो क्या होगा? Acid होगा, base होगा, what it will be? So for that we need to do experiment. Okay, here given lemon juice sour होगा, ये acid होगा, orange juice acid, vinegar already here given name of acids and name of bases. So here many of names, milk of magnesia base, baking soda base, lime water already given here. So lime water will be base, sugar, common salt. So sugar will be acidic or basic, that you will give me answer. Okay, that's your work. Sodium hydrogen carbonate solution, after that common salt sugar solution, shampoo, base, lemon juice. So that everything we need to do experiment. After that activity 5.4, teacher is requested to get the dilute solution of the following chemicals from his or her school laboratory. That we cannot do right now, okay, due to lockdown. We are not supposed to go there, and you are also not gathered over there, so I can't show you some acids, but these all are acids. So see, in short, acidic solution will give red color with litmus paper, but will give dark pink color with China rose petal. In short, basic will give blue color with litmus paper, litmus solution, but with China rose petal. China rose petal is also one type of indicator, so it will give green color base. Okay, base will give green color. So that was about indicators. Okay, neutralization. What is neutralization? We have learned that acids turns blue, litmus red, and bases turn red, litmus blue. Acid turns blue litmus red and Basiston red, litmus blue, that we know. Okay. We are going to use an indicator you have not used so far. It is called phenolphthalein. This is one, phenolphthalein is one type of indicator. See what types of indicators we saw. We saw litmus paper, turmeric. After that we saw China rose petal and phenolphthalein. These all are the name of indicators. In that some we learnt about the color, that which color it will give while reaction with acids or bases. Okay. Now here activity 5.5 to be demonstrated by teacher in the class. Fill 1/4 of test tube with dilute hydrochloric acid and color of phenolphthalein. Okay, so in short, in this activity what is there that I'll tell you. See, this whole activity you will read. In this क्या होगा, एसिड्स एंड बेस दोनों को मिक्स करोगे तो क्या बनेगा, सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. व्हाट वी विल गेट, सॉल्ट प्लस वाटर एंड color हो जाएगा pink. The solution again become pink in color. Okay, so this is one type of activity. In that stirring, pink color just appears. Solution continue adding sodium hydroxide solution drop by drop while stirring till the pink color just appear. Now add one more drop of dilute hydrochloric acid. What do you observe? Solution again becomes colorless. Colorless solution हो गया, that is for base, but adding one drop of sodium hydroxide solution, is there any changes? Solution again become in pink color. It is evident that when the solution is basic, okay, solution basic hoga, then it gives which color, pink. So in short, when solution is basic, which color it gives pink color. On other hand, when the solution is acidic, it remains colorless. For acidic it remains colorless, and when solution is basic, it gives pink color. Okay, so when acidic solution is mixed with basic solution, both the solution neutralize. बट एसिड और बेस को दोनों को सेम इक्वल अमाउंट में मिक्स करेंगे, 50% एसिड एंड 50% बेसिस, देन बोथ विल बिकम न्यूट्रलाइज. सो दिस न्यूट्रलाइजेशन प्रोसेस, दिस केमिकल रिएक्शन we will see tomorrow. Okay, so we saw today China rose petal and what is neutralization and what is the activity or neutralization with phenolphthalein. Acidic solution colorless, and with base it gives pink color. Okay.